Hi, my name is Sibeoni. I'm a psychiatrist and a public health researcher, and the first author of this paper reported the development and validation of a PRO scale, the HAnDE scale, for HAnDE scleroDerma disease lived experience, that aimed to assess globally the lived experience of any involvement in among patients with systemic sclerosis. Why? Because any involvement in this condition is highly important in terms of functional aspect, but also quality of life, and yet there were not neither qualitative studies focusing on it, nor patient-reported outcome that assess globally the end involvement in systemic sclerosis. So we chose a mixed method study design with one first phase qualitative using the IPSE approach, inductive process to analyze the structure of lived experience, among 21 patients. That led to 18 items that were based on the main findings: the loss of a vested function, the sexual issues, the visibility that is directly connected with aesthetic, existential, and relational aspects, and also the emotional distress. Then we assess the validity and the reliability of the scale. That led to the removal of 2 items, but also to confirm that the scale had robust psychometric properties, and it's unidimensional scales. That can be very useful now that it was validated, and it's the first PRO scale that assess globally the impact of an involvement. So it can be used in clinical trials, but also in daily clinical practice, in order, for instance, to improve patient-physician communications and reduce discrepancies between the perspective of dermatologists and their patients.